Welcome! If you love using stickers on Discord and want to make your chats even more expressive, you'll be happy to know that the latest update makes it super easy to have stickers show up right in your autocomplete suggestions. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable this feature on the Discord app for PC so you can add a little extra fun to every conversation. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings and chats. Once Discord is open, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a little gear icon right next to your username. This is the User Settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Chat. Click on it to open up all the chat-related options. Here, you'll find a variety of settings to customize your messaging experience. Scroll down until you see the Stickers section. This is where you can control how stickers behave in your chats. Look for the option that says Stickers in Autocomplete. If it's turned off, you won't see sticker suggestions as you type. To enable this feature, simply click the toggle next to Stickers in Autocomplete. Once it's switched on, Discord will automatically suggest relevant stickers as you type in any chat. That's all there is to it. With stickers now appearing in your autocomplete results, you can quickly add the perfect sticker to match your mood or message. No more searching through menus or scrolling endlessly. Every time you start typing, Discord will suggest stickers that fit what you're saying, making your conversations more lively and fun. So go ahead, try it out in your next chat, and see how much more expressive your messages can be. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can join in on the sticker fun too. Enjoy chatting, and happy sticking!